guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Do It For Yourself. So today I'm going to take on the task of trying to repair a small chip in my windshield with this Permatex windshield repair kit. And I looked at the instructions and they're okay, but I thought it would be better if I actually demonstrated on how to do this for anyone who didn't understand the instructions. So you can't really see the chip very well from this distance. However, I'm just trying to show how to use the kit more than I am trying to show what the end result is. But I will pull my camera over so you can try and see the chip and small crack, so that maybe we can see the end result after. Just one second. Okay, so basically there it is right there. I don't know if you could see that. And so that's what I have to try and repair. But I think more importantly, if there's any confusion on how to do this, well then hopefully this video will clear that up. Okay, so first thing you want to do, well, is the kit comes with a thumbtack. So you want to go in and try and clean out any debris that's in the crack at all. You want to be nice and gentle. Okay. After you have gone over it with a thumbtack, they give you a little alcohol prep pad. So you want to go ahead and open that up and go over the area just like that. And I'm going to let it dry out on its own. After you do that, they also give you this self-adhesive, it's like a pedestal pad. It's a pad that goes to where the hole goes directly over the center of the chip that you have on your windshield. So we're going to go ahead and take off one side. I'm going to take off the red side first. And then we're going to place, shit, the whole thing's coming off. I'm going to place it right over the hole. You want to do it with the tab center, with the tab facing up, if you can. And so, there we go. We did it right over that crack. Now we're going to take this little pedestal that the kit comes with, and we're going to place we're going to face the tab. We're going to align the tab right over the tab on the other side of this pad that you're going to have to take off another well, it comes with another self-adhesive sticky paper on it, so you got to take that off. Then you can go ahead and place the pedestal over the tab, aligning the top with the top of this tab aligning with that tab. So let's go ahead and do that. Make sure it's nice and solid. And they're good. Okay. And so the other thing that this kit comes with is a syringe, just like this. And it also comes with this little resin, tube of resin. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and break off the tab on the tube of resin. And then it says in the instructions to put in to leave a little bit behind, but to put in most of it. So we're going to stick that in, and then we're going to squeeze it in, squeeze it through. And while it's doing that, it also says to take this syringe, which comes with 2 notches, and to put it into the tube and pull it to the second notch. Not the first, but the second. And let it sit for 10 minutes thereafter. Alright? So we're going to take this. I think we're good on that. Remember to leave some behind. It's kind of hard to tell how much you've actually left behind, so hopefully I have some more resin. Then you put the tube in, just like this. Into this little rim here. So we're going to pull it in just like that. Okay. And now it's locked into that little brace there that's on the syringe, and you could actually see some of the bubbles pulling out all the air. And we're going to let that sit for 10 minutes, and then we're going to come back and go to the next step. Okay guys, so now we're going to go to the next step, and it says to pull the syringe out and let the air out of it. Okay, so now that the air is out of the syringe, this is where the first notch comes into play. We're going to put it back into the pedestal, and then we're going to push down until this first notch clips into the clip here to push the air back through. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and wait another 20 minutes, and then we'll go to the next step after that. Okay, so now it's been about 20 minutes, and we're going to go ahead and remove the syringe. Just like that. And so the kit comes with a razor blade. And so they say to go ahead and scrape off the pedestal with the razor blade. Also keep a little paper towel nearby, because you may get some of that resin that drips down on your windshield. And just take it off just like this. Scrape it off just like this. It would be nice if I could save this for my other chip, but I don't think it's going to go there. Yeah, so that came off. I'm trying to make it so you can see it. So with the leftover resin that you hopefully have left behind, you want to go ahead and go over the same chipped area. Just put a little bit on there. Hopefully I left some behind. Okay. And after you do that, it comes with a little plastic film that you place over the resin, just like that. And you'll see the resin spread some. You want to come back with your razor blade, just kind of spread that over the crack or chip that you might have. Okay, and so now we're going to let that sit for another 15 minutes. And that's it. We'll come back. Okay guys, so it's been about 15 minutes that I've let this sit in the sun. So we're going to go ahead and take off this clear film. Just like that. And then we're going to come back and scrape off the excess, which is quite a bit. Okay, and this is that excess that I took off. Okay, after you're done, go ahead and go over it with some Windex, clean paper towel. See the end result. Okay, so my thoughts on this is I don't think that I did it wrong. I just think that with this kit, you're gonna get whatever you get. I still see some hairline cracked, small tiny cracks in there. I don't honestly know if it was supposed to fill it in all the way through, but I will say that if you don't have glass coverage for your car, this will at least do something for it, so those hairline cracks don't potentially spread, you know. Let's see if I can bring the camera up close. It is better than it was, but not as good as I had hoped. Okay. So it's right there. I still see some little hairline cracks in there. I don't know, again, if that was supposed to fill in completely. But, I mean, it did something for it. And that's really all that I was looking for. Anyway, guys, all for now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.